Transform your dental health and more with ProDentim. Revolutionary dental health solution for gums and teeth rejuvenation. The monster in the dental niche.
ProDentim is the groundbreaking probiotic candy designed to revolutionize your dental health.
With a unique formula that melts in your mouth, ProDentim not only rebuilds gums and teeth, but also enhances overall well-being by addressing respiratory tract issues, allergies, digestive problems, and aiding in weight loss.
Here's why ProDentim stands out.
Innovative dental health solution. Let this soft mineral melt in your mouth to rebuild gums and teeth, offering a unique approach to dental care that's both enjoyable and effective.
Broad-spectrum health benefits. Beyond dental health, ProDentim addresses respiratory issues, allergies, digestive problems, and even contributes to weight loss, making it a versatile addition to your daily health regimen.
Rich in nutritious substances. Crafted with vitamins, minerals, and traditional dental medicine ingredients, ProDentim targets the root cause of dental issues for visible results.
Natural and easy to use. With a daily formula that relies on natural ingredients, ProDentim is effortless to incorporate into your routine, promising a hassle-free path to dental health.
Unmatched dental support. Equipped with 3.5 billion probiotics and 3 unique clinically proven ingredients, ProDentim supports teeth and gum health like no other product on the market.
The ProDentim Promise. Each ProDentim candy not only promises to rejuvenate your gums and teeth, but also to eliminate bad breath, ensuring a confidence-boosting smile and improved oral health.
With ProDentim, you're not just choosing a dental health product, you're embracing a lifestyle change that benefits your mouth and body.
Ready to transform your dental and overall health with ProDentim?
Click the link below this video to learn more and try ProDentim today.